We continue the series of videos on working with the keywords function. In this video, we will look at the analysis of keywords using a graph. At the top level, we have two options: individual promotion of keywords and cluster promotion of product groups. Before moving on to the charts, a gentle reminder that the keywords need to be already added for tracking. That part was covered in the previous video. Let's take a look at individual keyword promotion first. We select our keyword to be viewed. As we press on it, by default it will show the first 10 keywords that we have in the drop-down menu. If we need to select other keywords, check the box next to the needed keywords. Or, we can select the entire list by pressing Select All. For example, we select the first 15 keywords, and also we select the period for which we need the information to be displayed. For a week, for a month, for a certain period, like several days, or for a year and a 1.5 years. Let's start with a year. Above the chart, we can see the keywords that we have selected. They are color-coded and represented respectfully with particular colors on the chart. If we hover over a certain color, we will see full information on the name of the keyword, what position the keyword has, on which page it appears with the organic search results, and how many searches hit per month for this keyword appear. Apart from the graph, we can see the color-indicated column, which shows advertising sales. In our case, we have chosen 1 year, with monthly increments, displaying how many advertisement sales were made for each word. Also, because we have selected a subset of the keywords from the entire list, we still can display the next 10 keywords on a graph by pressing 10 Next. Now we have another graph for the next 10 keywords. We can continue so on until the moment when all the keywords will be illustrated on the graphs. As an alternative, we can choose the column chart view. The same information is on the same display pages, but now the data will be shown in columns. This part is convenient if we have a large number of keywords. Now we can see which keywords are on the first and second pages and the rest. Concluding that the least sales are on the 5th page, there might be more of them. Leveraging the column view, we will be able to identify in a column those keywords that hit the top of the search sharply. The second top level is cluster promotion. For this, we switch from keywords to cluster view. In the drop-down window, we have information on clusters. The numerals are the rank of keywords in this cluster. The shorter the word and the higher the frequency, the more likely it is that there will be many keywords in this cluster. On the graph, we get information in the same form as in keywords, but since we select a cluster, there are many more keywords. For more details, let's take a smaller cluster with 14 keywords. There are also two graphics options, columns, and a linear graph with broader options that shows us in-depth detail of keywords movement every month. The colored line highlighting the keyword, we also see information if there were advertising sales. If you hover over this column, the full information on the keyword, the number of requests, and if it was an advertising sale, how much you earned, how much you spent on it, and what ACOS of the product and what CTR is displayed is shown. If we simply hover over a keyword, here we can see how many searches were, what position this keyword has, and on which page in the organic search it results. Also here we can switch between clusters. If we press More button, the next cluster is revealed, which is our top one. Because all the clusters will go in a row if we choose this way. If we need a specific cluster, then we can choose here the one that suits us, for which we want to see the full information.